I have a pro tip for y'all. It's about photography. I have a couple of tips on how to take a good photo, because I know some of y'all probably take photos and then you look at them and think, wow, I look awful. I'll go with like 3 or 4 of them. First one is, when you're taking a photo, the camera needs to be at eye level, or start at eye level and then go up a little bit. And the reason for that is, you go start it on around eye level and then go up and then point the camera down just a little bit. And the reason for that is jawline. I don't know why, but this is very common in reporters and journalism. The camera is always slightly above eye level and tilted down because this looks weird. Something about the chin, I don't know what it is. It's a movie thing. You very rarely see the camera looking up at somebody. I mean, from a like thematic or dramatic standpoint, yes, but for the most part, the camera is usually at or above eye level, like looking slightly down at them, right? I'm gonna throw this one in there just before I forget, and this applies mostly to filming, but when you're videoing something, yeah, you can go upright, which I know TikTok and a bunch of other social media things out there film like this now, but just how do we watch movies in 16:9 ratio? That's the aspect ratio, like this, right? So if you're ever filming a movie, just make a habit of filming like this. So let me continue filming like this to make my point. So if I have the camera slightly above eye level and looking tilted down in my face, I'm not putting myself in the very middle of the camera. Right? I'm not doing that. There's a thing called rule of thirds. So if you're to break this screen up into three different sections, I want to be in one of those sections. And then I have break it into 3 sections, and then I have juxtaposition. Juxtaposition is, there's something in the foreground, which is me, and then something in the background, which would be the houses and my dog. So rule of thirds, this is weird. Rule of thirds, juxtaposition, something in the background. Another thing is, and this works right now, but cloudy days are perfect for filming because you notice there, well, I'm wearing a hat, so it doesn't really make a whole, it doesn't work out so perfectly, but you notice that there's equal lighting on my face and the background, or just about. You never want to be into a situation of, let me run inside real quick. Lily. Let me see if I can do this. That. You don't want that. You never want yourself to be darker than the background. You want the background to be darker than yourself, so you are the focus of the picture or the video. I'm right next to a wind chime. So one way to do that is make sure that the lighting is in front of you. For example, I am standing on my patio looking out to the sun, which that's lighting myself up just as much as anything else. Recap. Rule of thirds, make sure you're on one side of the shot, not in the very middle. You want juxtaposition, so something in the background, something or yourself in the foreground. Lighting, make sure the lighting is facing towards you, towards the camera, not behind you, so it's lighting up the subject, which would be you. Headroom, that's another one just hit me. Don't cut off your head. If you're slightly above eye level and you're tilted slightly down, but make sure that, so in that case I need to scoot the camera back. Make sure there's a little bit of space between your head and the top of the frame. Headroom. That's another big thing. You usually want, like, if I'm looking at the camera, I want like that much. So about there is good. You just eyeball it. So those things, lighting's facing towards you. I think I covered them all. So follow those tips and your photos and video will come out so much better.